Hello, good night. My name is Daniela Torres. I am 28 years old. I am a study business administrator in a semester in the U Compensar. And I am working in the platform service, financial service, and the analytics operation. And my singer favorite is Amy. What moment, please? Amy Melly. She is Amy Melly. Was born in United States. She's beautiful. And for me, she is Amy. She is an inspiration singer because she is young, beautiful, strong, and intelligent. I Am Woman lyrics is a song where she talks about being sexy, being creative, being everything she wants. And now let's send an interview.
Saying, Emily, look at your TikTok. Wake up, look at your TikTok. And I went on there and I was like, I guess I have to finish the song now.
Oh my God. So
yeah.
Okay. She will say that her song was famous for TikTok, and that we say she recognizes her.
So when it blew up, it was just a snippet, basically.
It was just a hook. It was literally just me taking a few mantras that I had been repeating to myself for a little while there and putting it to music for fun one day.
Wow, and when you wake up to news like that, that's just straight. I mean, that's just, I don't know, that's a dream come true, basically, right?
Quite literally a dream come true. It's been surreal. This whole last month of my life feels like I just quantum leaped into some other reality. I don't know, it's crazy. Like, I've been dreaming of this and manifesting this and working towards this my whole life. And then for it to just happen overnight was, whoa. It was definitely a surreal moment.
It's like magic.
Amy says that her song has had a great importance, sometimes that don't seem real.
Magic, it really is,
Yeah.
you know. You going on tour is on the top of your bucket list. So with this whole I Am Woman, you know, just killing, and with album on the way, I assume tour talks, you're having talks now, or things are sort of kind of moving that way?
Oh yes, we're definitely having talks. We're shooting for summertime. And I am really, really, really hoping that I get to travel a lot because I haven't really traveled ever, and getting to see people's faces in the crowd and perform for them and have that energy is just a totally, totally different experience than just you in a booth. And
And that she wants to travel around the world, see the face of the people singing his songs is different experience.
for my whole life, so I have a real passion for it, and I just can't wait until I get to go to all these different cities and meet all these new people who like my music.
Is the excitement of watching it?
It's extraordinary, and I agree because his music, especially dance song, is magical and experiential. Thanks.